am Aletha with WTI, and this is my 72-piece coloring pencil set. I love to color to relieve some stress sometimes in grown-up coloring books. And I love that they are soft and smooth and easy to color with. They have this rainbow of brilliant colors that I really, really like. The colors are awesome, like this one, the marmalade orange, as well as this one, the robin egg blue. That's so specific. This beautiful set is so great for coloring, for doodling, for just coming up with anything creative that you want to do when you're coloring. I love the fact that it has these 3 trays that are easy accessible and the pencils just pop right on out. They're not hard to come out at all. They just pop up like this. That makes it really good. I also love that it has the colors and the numbers of the pencils on the inside of the case that tells me what number they are. And it also tells me the light fastness, meaning that I'll know which pencils to use that are not going to fade from the light. I love the fact that it closes up in this really nice tin that keeps my pencils nice and safe so that I can just put it away nice and safe, ready to use for another time. I love it. I highly recommend it. And that is just my point of view.